On this video, we're going to be doing a turkey breast on a Weber Smoque. Welcome back, guys. So today we have a turkey breast. This is a butterball. This is about 3 pounds. We're going to be smoking this in our Weber Smoque XL. The rubs that we're going to be using today is a Malcolm's King Crawl and the Killer Hogs Barbecue Texas. So the video that I see, they use this one and this one together. It looked great. I had these, so I was like, let's go ahead and use it. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding the King Crawl on this, and we're just going to make sure we get every part of this turkey breast. Now, like I said, this is 3 pounds. Now, if you guys end up buying a bigger one, then it's fine. It'll just take a little bit more time, just remember that. But just keep an eye on your internal temp. Now we're gonna use just a little bit of this Texas on top. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer it to our cooking grate here. So how are we going to cook this? We're going to put our Weber Smoque to 275 degrees. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Weber Smoque. All right, our Weber just hit 275. I'm going to put this in here and we'll be back when it hits 170. All right, our turkey breast just hit 170 degrees internal. Let's go ahead and take her out. Welcome back. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Here you have it. This smells really good. The King Crawl. This is a Cajun seasoning. It gives it such a great smell to it. Like, oh wow. Like, I'm really excited to try it. I think this is the first time I've tried this, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and give it a cut. So you guys can use any seasoning you want. It doesn't have to be this. It's whatever you guys like, and it will work. Also, this was 3 pounds, and it took about 3 hours and 10 minutes. If yours is a little bit bigger of a breast, the time's gonna be a little bit more longer. But as long as you have a probe in there and you're just waiting to hit that 170, all right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Look at this. Oh man, that looks so good. So this one, I've seen it a lot being used on poultry. And it's very good. Wow. Wow. This is really good. Good seasoning. A little bit of this. Perfect. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys plan on making? A whole turkey, turkey breast, both? How you guys plan on cooking it? What kind of seasoning or rub you guys gonna use? Let me know. I'll see you guys next time.